So here's one that I just found that I thought was interesting. So the channel is Yoo-Hoo22, and they only have 15,000 subs, but they're still making good money. So I always like to go in and see about how much they're making. So even with, so I had somebody, one of my students in the Facebook group, ask me how many subs I have on the 3 channels I use to make money. And the thing is, I told him it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many subs you have. You can get a freaking lot of views, and you know that views turn into money if you have ads on your videos. And this person only has 15,000 subs, so not that many, but 28 million views still. Okay, because at the end of the day, it's not the subs you're looking for. You're looking for the money, right? So this person has been able to get 28 million views, which if you're putting an ad a minute, you're going to get about 10% to click an ad. And then you multiply that by 3 cents, which is on average what you get every time someone clicks an ad. And so I'm estimating this person's made somewhere around $86,000 on this channel, and that's only with 15,000 subs. So even with a small amount of subs, you can still make a freaking year's salary easy doing this. And so all this person's doing is posting like viral videos of celebrities. And what's crazy is they've probably made $80,000, and they've only posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 37 videos. On 37 videos, this person has been able to freaking pull in over 80,000 bucks, and that's nuts. So the first video was Joe Rogan versus Feminist, and it had 2.8 million views. Their first video, guys. So you need to find channels like this and take notes. What did they do a video on? What did they name it? What did they tag it? Because somehow, from absolute nothing, they were able to get their channel viral. And that's what you need to learn. Because, dude, if you take what I teach in the course and you get through the monetization review, or you get your monetized channel right now today instantly, you can literally take notes from what this person did, do the same thing, grow your channel tomorrow, and freaking start making a bunch of money. Like, it's that quick if you learn how to make a video or a channel go viral. So this person is just doing, like, Joe Rogan chokes out crazy guy, but it's, like, really vague thumbnail. Like, you just want to click it just to find out what the heck's going on. So he's just using celebrities to kind of, and there's no videos that he's making or anything. You know, the evolution of Louis C.K. Comedian talking about Dave Chappelle. I mean, and he's got ads on it too. See right here? He's got ads on it, so he's making money on it. And so, you know, it's that simple. Kevin Hart trolling NBA players. I mean, look, totally got ads on it. It's got Gatorade ads even. You know, so this person is someone who knows how to make videos go viral. So this is just Kevin Hart, like, talking and then just, like, trolling players, which you can find you can either just find this video already done. You can either find this video already done, or you could find some clips and throw them together, which in the Advanced Masterclass I teach you exactly how to do that as well. But that's really simple to do. And look, I mean, 3 million views on that one video. You know, just Kevin Hart trolling NBA players, because, you know, who wouldn't want to see that? And if there isn't a video on it yet, it's really easy to put that together, and you have a really freaking good video that can get you a whole lot of money in one shot. I mean, that one video is probably made, I mean, we could estimate like 3.6 million times 10% times 0.03, 10,000 bucks. One freaking video could have made 10,000 bucks. You know, that's how simple it is. Seriously. And, you know, he's still going. 2 days. So I think he just started. I mean, seriously. He posted this one video 11 years ago, then 8 years ago, a couple a year ago. And it looks like he's just starting to really get going now. 4 months ago, 3 months ago, 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. So it's still working. Look, this dude got, he put this a week ago. It's got 1.2 million views. Kevin Hart roasting talk show hosts. That simple, you know. And what's smart about this too is, like, Kevin Hart has a video or a movie coming out soon, and so people, you know, are searching for him and things like that. So, you know, look how easy this is. This dude's making, you know, 80,000 bucks, and he's only posted a few videos. So take notes from people like this. Find out what they're posting, you know, you know, because you know he's not making the videos, so you know that much. And now you just need to study the tags, the titles, the thumbnails, and see what he's doing to make his videos go viral. Another one I found right here has got 64,000 subs on it. Yeah, 63 million views. 63,374, 650 times 0.10 times 0.03, so somewhere around $190,000 this channel has been able to make. And all they're doing is posting, you know, celebrity stuff again. Elon Musk gets trippy, which that's smart because, you know, he just got in trouble with the whole smoking weed thing and all that. Goes into the Alex Jones thing a little bit. Joe Rogan, crazy prison story. So yeah, he's just posting like UFC fighters talking, all kinds of celebrities just saying stuff and then clickbaiting it. And when I say clickbait, I don't mean like in a negative way. I mean in a way that does describe the video, but really makes you want to click. There's a difference between negative clickbait, and when I say clickbait, everyone's like, oh, clickbait, that's sketchy. No, I don't mean like clickbait where you make them click and it's not about the video. I'm saying smart thumbnails, smart titles that bait you into clicking. That's what clickbait is. They bait you into clicking. It doesn't mean it has to be a lie. It can be what the video is about and still be clickbait. So when I say clickbait, I don't mean it in a negative way. So yeah, talking about Eminem, like stuff about Eminem right now because he's, you know, all over the news and crap like that lately. Things like that. And then I always like to go in here, sort by most popular, see exactly what blew their channel up. So a lot of the Joe Rogan things, it looks like. Man, there's a lot of opportunities with Joe Rogan. He seems to be very popular on YouTube. Snoop Dogg disses, you know, it's just rapper drama, UFC drama, just random stuff like that. But he's not making the videos, and he's got ads on them. So I always like to just study people that are literally making a bunch of money. You know, I'm talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. Just freaking, you know, post things that they didn't even make. And then here's another one. I was trying to find a NASCAR one just because I'm a NASCAR fan, and it's a good niche because there's a lot of fans, but there's not a lot of videos, right? So you're not gonna have as much competition if you try to jump in and post Kyle Busch says this, you know, Dale Jr. says this, or crash compilations, or highlight videos of races, things like that. You're not gonna find as much competition as you do like Steph Curry highlights, you see. But yet there's still a lot of popularity in it. So this person, 19,734,791 views times 0.10. If you put an ad a minute or two, you know, you're gonna get 10% times 0.03. So about $60,000. So more than I make in a year at First Data when I was working there. So totally a year's salary for most people, right? And he's only got 19,000 subs as well, but yet still getting a lot of good views. 24,000 views on just the crashes so that's one smart thing, is it's just crashes from that one race, and then you could do that every single week. And so he could have either found a crash highlight video, or he could have just, you know, found a bunch of different crashes from the race and put them together, which again I teach on the advanced masterclass. Either way, really smart, because you have highlights every single freaking week that you can do now of crashes or whatever else. And then he's got, you know, Kyle Busch interview. And then, you know, he could have clickbaited this. If Kyle Busch said anything even remotely, you know, controversial in this interview, then he could put Kyle Busch says this, and then make it like super, like, you want to click it and find out what he's saying. And then again, I like to go in here and see. But yeah, he posts things like that, and he posts, you know, Dale Jr. emotional post-race interview. NASCAR Homestead 2017 finish plus emotional interview. You know, it's got ads on it, but again, he's not making the video at all. It's literally just Smart Truck Jr. talking after winning the race. And so, you know, he's not making this at all. He literally just posted the ending of the race for the championship and got himself 90,000 views on it, right? And a bunch of subs. So that's how simple it is, guys, seriously. And then, you know, with what I teach in the course, you know, you're going to be able to get a monetized channel literally within a week for like less than $20 freaking dollars. I teach that in both of the courses. And, you know, so regardless of what your channel is going to be, you're going to be able to, you know, slide through and get through the review literally within a week, and then you're gonna be able to do whatever the frick you want, and then post things like this. NASCAR's biggest airborne crashes, and I mean, you could do this same exact thing and get through the review, but it's gonna take you longer to build that fan base. But with the method I teach, you'll be able to get 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours easily in a week, and totally pass the review. And then you can start making money like really freaking quickly. And so I'm always trying to look for different channels that you guys can study and try to get ideas from, and then I try to get ideas from it as well. And so, and then I'm going to be doing, so that channel that I did the Alex Jones videos on, those strikes wear off in November, and then I'm going to show you guys the real benefit of why I did that. It's not just to get that $2,000 that I got, for posting that 1 or 2 videos or whatever for a day. That wasn't the main goal. The main goal was to build the channel's subs, and I did that. I got to 9,000 subs, literally just posting like 1 or 2 videos, and $2,000. But now I'm waiting for the strikes to wear off, and as soon as that happens, you guys are probably going to be already following the channel. A lot of you guys, I bet you are, and you're going to see me grow that channel into a lot of money, but that's going to come in November, so I'm looking forward to that too. For those strikes to wear off, and I'll have a 4th channel that I do plan on, getting that going, and advancing my profits even more, hoping to make, somewhere around 50,000 a month doing that. So that channel I think is going to kick me over that threshold. But so you guys are going to be able to see that happen, and I'm going to kind of document my progress as I go on that channel as well. But that'll be in November, but just something I'm looking forward to.